Using an inhaler and nebulizer. Introduction. Inhaled medicines are less likely to cause side effects. Select true or false. Correct. Fewer side effects happen when medicine is delivered by an inhaler instead of taken in pill form. Using an inhaler with a spacer helps get more medicine into your lungs. Select true or false. Correct. A spacer makes it easier to inhale the medicine more slowly. Inhaling slowly increases the amount of medicine that reaches your lungs. It may also reduce side effects. A spacer used with an inhaler helps all of the medicine get into the airway. Select true or false. Correct. A spacer makes it easier for the medicine to get into your airway because the medicine stays in the spacer until it is inhaled. It may be helpful for children and other people who have trouble using an inhaler correctly. Do all dry powder inhalers require you to load the medicine before each use? Select yes or no. Correct. Some DPIs hold many doses. Some need to be loaded with a single dose each time they are used. Talk to your healthcare provider to find out which type of inhaler fits your needs. Can all nebulizers be used and cleaned by following the instructions in this section? Select yes or no. Correct. There are many different types of nebulizers. You may need to follow a different set of steps to use and clean your nebulizer. Follow the instructions that came with your device or talk to a healthcare provider to learn what steps to follow. Thank you for using Explain.